Welcome to Spotlight Data Analytics Introduction to our dashboard system. In this introduction, I'm going to show you the basic various parts of the system. You're going to typically see an introductory message over here, right in the front. So you'll either see an X in this corner or you'll see an I agree. The message may vary from district to district. This particular district is not real, it is fictitious. The students that you will see are fictitious. There is nothing real about this district. But again, your district may have a different message. So we go ahead, we click on this I agree, and then you'll be able to view the dashboard. So when you log on, you're going to see a number of different buttons that will take you obviously to different areas. We suggest that you begin with the overview. The overview is going to give you literally an overview of your district or your school or the scope of students that you have access to. So this is a district-wide view. Over here, I can click on and see and drill down to any of one of these schools here. Again, these are not real schools, but I could drill down to any of these schools. And if I go ahead and click on one of the schools, what I will see is the entire dashboard and the entire system here will be drilled down to this particular school, Orange Middle School. So any page within the system that I go to will typically hone into Orange Middle School. I'm going to go back. I'm going to pick the whole district, give you a quick introduction. Here, you'll see the total number of students, again, within your scope. If you're a teacher, you may only see your students. Here's the year-to-date average attendance of your currently active students, students who are not chronically absent. Here is the breakdown by grade of the students within your scope. Red meaning that the student is chronically absent, green meaning that the student is not chronically absent. Here we can see the number of students that have been admitted in the last 5 to 10 days. Over here we see the number of students who are English language learners and their current proficiency levels, number of overage students within the scope. We have 56 students who have in-school suspensions and 92 are out of school. Breakdown of special education, breakdown by L's and their type and level. And then the at-risk level right over here. The at-risk level is an at-risk system that looks at well over 20 different data points, including attendance, grades, periodic assessments, suspension data, and it will provide an overview of the student and whether they're at risk or not. If you are wondering about the formula, you can go ahead and click on the I right over here. The I will appear in different places in the system, so you can go ahead and click on that, and that will give you a breakdown of how at-risk is being calculated. And this is also in real time as well. So you can see the number of the students within this district are not high risk, but there still is a number of students who are level 9, 10, and above. So you can go ahead and take a look at those students and see how you may be able to support them. Another feature within the dashboard are these 3 buttons. Every page within the dashboard has these 3 buttons: the home page, the go back page, and the filter page. So if I want to go back to the home page, I would click on this. Now, if I want to go back to that page I was just at, I can go ahead and click here. And now I'm back there. So this is the home page. This means go back 1 page. And this is the filter page. So the filter page appears on all pages. So I'm going to go back to the overview. And see, here we have all of the students within our scope, which is the whole district. I want to take a look at students who are English language learners and have an IEP. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to say I want L's and I want to click yes for special education. Notice that when you apply a filter, you will see a checkbox You will see a check mark because this is just to quickly indicate that you have applied filters. And over here, you'll see the total number of students within that filter. So there are 114 students in this school district who are Ls and have IEPs. If I want to quickly clear all the filters, I can go ahead and I can undo each filter one at a time, or I can click Reset All Filters, and it is now done. We will have more videos to explain other features of the dashboard.